Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new, I pretty much make easy to understand Excel tutorials. I'm going to be going into detail about how Excel works its magic too, and not just where to click. And I'm hoping this makes it easy to understand. And of course, if you have any questions, just drop me a comment and I'll get back to you. Before I start, please subscribe if these easy how-to videos help you, and let's get into it. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about data validation, or to be more specific, how to create a drop-down list in Excel. Having a drop-down list in Excel is important because it allows the user to select predefined options from a list. There's going to be less input error, and if your Excel has formulas that depend on reference cells, a drop-down list will make sure that the data being referenced is accurate. An example of how it's going to be beneficial for me is here on this tab. I have a cell for employee name and a cell for employee ID. In my last video, I walked through how to use index match to have Excel find the employee ID if you have the employee name, but this depends on us having the most accurate spelling of the employee name. If it's a simple name, then maybe there won't be any input error, but it's very likely that a name will be misspelled, and if that's the case, the formula won't work. What I want is a drop down here in C7 so that I can just pick from a list of names, and we're going to create that list right now. So to start, I'm going to select cell C7 since that's where I want my drop-down list to be. Up top on the data tab, we're going to go over to data validation. Now in the allow drop-down, we want to select list. Now in the source box, we're going to tell Excel what list of items we want displayed in the drop-down. If the items that you want shown don't already exist in your Excel somewhere, then you can just type out every single category you have with a comma to separate them. For me, my employee names are already on one of my Excel sheets, so I'm going to highlight those names and hit OK. So I'll hit this up arrow. I'll go over to where the names are located. Highlight them all. And then I'll hit OK. So as you can see, whenever I select an employee's name from the dropdown, their employee ID automatically updates, all with the help of a dropdown. And of course, if you want to see how I created this index match formula in D7, take a look at my previous video where I broke out that formula. But yeah, that's pretty much dropdown lists in a nutshell. It lets you create a list that a user can pick from to improve data accuracy and consistency. It also beats having to write out things manually, and that's going to save you some time as well. And there you have it. That wraps up my video. If this helped you, then please do subscribe and be on the lookout for more Excel how-to videos. I'm hoping to help as many people as I can become data experts in Excel in the most easy to understand way possible. So that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.